I've never been to a tea party before, so well, I know it will be fun. I'm just nervous, like, am I gonna be dressed cutesy or not? Because like your girl don't really have like the many like really nice things. Well, now let me tell you that I do got good things, but it's just like I lost a lot of my stuff in my storage, so I had to gain it back. Today I'm gonna be doing my makeup in the car, which ain't nothing new, but you know what I'm saying, this is a new setup for me. My dress that I did find, I got it from a church in the thrift shop. It's really cutesy. It's drying now in the dryer, so when I get it out of there, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and start my makeup, do the best I can here. I just packed a few things. I just threw everything in this bag, this gift bag I got for Mother's Day, and we're just gonna go for that. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and prime, because your girl can't go nowhere and the makeup slipping, so we gotta make sure it's sticking tight and right. And so we're gonna be cute. We're gonna be real cute. The color of my dress is like a hunter green, dark green, and it's so cute. Yeah, I got sequences on it and everything. When I went to the store, I saw this dress. It was brown at City Trends, and it had like these polka dots on it. I'm a polka dot girl. I love me some polka dots down, but we didn't really find that many options, and that dress was too top. I wasn't trying to show all my tatas or anything like that, but this dress is a cover up, so it's gonna be presentable. I hope this is a good setup, because I couldn't find nowhere else to put y'all in this car. You're gonna be right here, okay? Front and side center. Anyways, we're gonna go in with our Maybelline concealer. This is in shade 30, honey. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lids, and we're gonna get it on really good. But I think the last time I checked, it was like 10:20. So time is 10:20. We're going over that. I already washed my dress at home, so my dryer is broken, so we have to come to the laundromat to dry, which is gonna have to change soon, because it's kind of inconvenient, but at the same time it is okay, because it's good on the light bill, and bills been kicking my butt. I don't know if you've been the same way, but time's just been timing, and I can't deal with these gas prices and all that. I'm just gonna bring it down. I know this is kind of funky, how I'm doing my makeup right now. But I'm just gonna go ahead, bring it down how I usually would, conceal. I hope this is fun. We got a good group of people at our church, like different ages. It's not like only older people. It's a variety. It's like younger and older. Everybody there is so welcoming. They make you feel at home. So me joining this church was like, it just felt right. I was younger when I was in the church, so starting over, it just feel right here. So, and I like that we do a lot of activities, so it's not like this is the only thing we've done. We did a women's retreat last year sometime. That was like my first women's retreat. It wasn't, we ate and everything there, so it wasn't like a tea party like this. I know I look crazy, y'all. Oh my God. I'm hoping for a good day, because this week kicked my tail. Like, work has been kicking my tail. It's been kind of stressful trying to work and then parent and all that. Last day of school type situations, trying to make sure all the kids are where they're supposed to be. I'm glad they're out of school though, because that's one thing I do have to worry about. This is my first time also getting my own brushes, like a brush kit. I got this Morphe brush kit from Ulta, and I'm really liking it. I think I don't think I paid more than 20 bucks for it, and it comes with like a whole bunch of brushes. They're kind of like smudgy, so I used them on my live the other day. But here's another. This is that was a concealer brush that I just showed you. This is a cream liquid bronzer. So let's go ahead and do the contour then with this and bronze. I look-y think I left my bronzer. at the house.
This?
Oh my god. My contour, not bronzer, my contour shade. Ay.
This?
Yeah, but yeah, I guess I can go with that. I can use that. I was using this liquid kind. I used the Revlon, but I think I had like the other kind somewhere. Okay, I found my contour palette from Ace Beauty. I'm just gonna use this real quick. It's I have liquid blush. My powder blush is at home. One of our members at church, she owns her own boutique, and I'll also tag her so you all can shop with her. She has really cutesy hats, so I'm gonna show y'all the hat as well. I'm gonna show y'all a cute little outfit when I get done. I'm just gonna stamp this in, and then we're gonna have dress up really cute. I think Seven has a white dress. Leilani has a colorful dress with fruit on it. And then Zelia, she's gonna do like a pantsuit dress up kind of thing. And then mine is green. Alright, so Maybelline, of course. My foundation. This is my foundation. It also came with a foundation brush. I think I don't know how many brushes came in there. It had to be like 10 brushes, y'all. Like, I usually am really like cheap when it comes down to getting stuff for myself. Like with the kids, I'm just like, if you want it, just get it, and then I'll just try to make the money back. But with myself, I'll be like, I ain't getting it, and I don't get it. But I'm like, girl, you gotta invest in your stuff. You've been doing makeup all this time, and you be using the same brushes for a hot minute. So I invested in myself, y'all. I just gotta get me some more makeup palettes, and that's coming. I want to play with some more makeup palettes. I want to like get back to where I used to be, like in the makeup game, like my creativity and everything. I'm missing that, and I feel like that has a lot to do with how I've been feeling, like tired and not feeling life really, because I ain't able to be myself, like my creative self, and I want to get back into that. So we gonna get back on track slowly but surely. I'm about to get ready to head back in to get my clothes. I just have that green one that you had because I'm wearing green, so I wasn't planning on bringing nothing else. Did I bring another one? Nope. I thought I brought my and I don't want to go too heavy on the makeup because it's so hot, but we're gonna be inside. It's gonna be so cutesy. I'm gonna get some footage on the setup and everything, but I didn't get to go in to help. Last night we were supposed to go in to help decorate or set everything up today. This is my Urban Decay, and this is Dripping. Shade Dripping. I had it forever, so I just believe in using what you guys, so you ain't got no more. I'm gonna blend this blush out real quick, and then I'm gonna set my face, and I'm running here and get my clothes. I'll bring y'all with me to get it. All right, boom. And I got orange in my bag. This is, well, not orange, but it's bold begana from Kiss. I love doing my makeup. I wish I had more time in the mornings when I go to work to do my makeup, but I can only do blood, and I don't want to, so I work in a climate controlled environment. So whatever it feels outside is what it feels inside. And girl, I be melted. I be sweating so bad. Alright, this did. Alright, and then boom. Okay. Y'all be present with time. We gotta leave by 11, and I know it's gotta be way after 10:30. I don't like doing my makeup because it's like every time that I do it, I feel like people gonna look at me weird. You can't worry about what nobody's saying. You cannot worry about nobody saying this at school. That's out in the streets. And one thing about it don't matter how old you are, people still gonna have something to say. But no matter how old you are. So you gotta learn how to be comfortable with yourself, and just know you the one gotta wear it. They don't. So everybody got an opinion, and you can take it and do as you may with it. You see me. I'm gonna blend this in. Alright. Anyways, I'm gonna do my Maybelline Fit Me Truffle. Press all this in. I know bronze with my Julius Place. I'm ready for a fun day because all I do is work. All I do is work. I want to have fun sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But I'm tired of always working. I think I'm gonna do my brows real quick. So, okay, and I got my pencil sharpener. So this is my New York NK pencil shade dark brown. Whoa. Oh my god, hurry up. Hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna use my Kiss adhesive glue on my brows. It was like 73 when we left, but your girl car be like cutting up sometimes when I have on the air. I need a spark plug change real bad. Everybody just want to charge so much. It's like $800. They want $800 to change my spark plugs at the shop. So of course I'm gonna try to find somebody else to do it. I'm not paying on $800. Alright, just shaping up my brows. Okay. Got my brows on. It's so humid. It's like overcasted, but the heat is still there. It's still there. I don't know if people are looking at me while I'm doing my makeup. I'm pretty sure they are as they come up to me. But your girl is getting ready. I don't care. I don't care. Okay. Okay, I got my dress on. Off to the house to get ready. Okay, so my makeup is done. My hair is done. Cute. This is the hat from Kareem's Boutique. I'm gonna link it below. Super cute. So I think this is how you do it. Like, whoop. You gotta put the headband on. Oh, so cute. Put the headband on. Tried to my edges so fast. I'm so late. So it's in there at 12. Well, we're supposed to. I've been there at 11. It's 12:15. We coming. But girl, what you think? What do you think? Okay, let me show you the whole get up. This too cute. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. I'm trying to like fluff it so here won't be so nice. Put some gems in my hair. I think I'm gonna redo this hairstyle so I can film it. And I really like it. It's super cute. It's time to get a new touch up the braids and everything. But okay, hold on. Let me show y'all like the whole thing. Hold on a minute. Okay. So this is the fit. Super cute. I got on my gold heels. And this is what she's looking like. Yeah. Alright, off to the tea party we go. Bye. We're out to the tea party. This is my girl, so let me see her. Cute. Yellow, purple, gold, and blue.
This can't be my forever, no. This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease, oh. And I know that there's more than this.